Hi guys! Ako nga pala si Rui Asoy from 10 Copernicus. Today, ngayon nga pala ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko isa-solve ang 15th term ng aking arithmetic sequence. Tara! Handa na ba kayo? Harats!
So our problem for our arithmetic sequence is a staircase of 15 steps. The first step is 10 cm high, and each subsequent step is 2 cm higher. How high is the 15th step? So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze the given problem. For the ace of 1 is the first term or the first step, and the distance or d is the each subsequent step, and the n is the term we are looking for. So the given is ace of 1 is equals to 10, distance or d is equals to 2, and n is equals to 15. So for this problem, we are gonna use the solution an is equals to ace of 1 plus n minus 1 times d or distance. So now, we can complete the solution by putting the given. Ganun ko natapos ang arithmetic. So my final answer is, the height of the 15th step is 38 cm high. And that is how I solved the given problem. Sana naman may natutunan kayo sa pagpapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko na-solve ang given problem. Tips lang, tandaan, kung mayroon kayong arithmetic sequence problem, laging gamitin ang solution na ito. Yun lamang, Rui Asoy, out.